Imagine waking up to a lie for your money works for you, where the clink of coins in your pocket is replaced by the sweet sound of dividends hitting your account picture. A world where financial freedom isn't just an idea, but a tangible reality. This is not some far-off dream. It's within reach. Just like retiring comfortably means different things to different people, there are countless financial scenarios to consider. Some people might explore reverse mortgages, selling off possessions, or moving to an affordable place. But there's another option that often gets overlooked: living on investment dividends. Something that can help you earn $2,900 a month. Stick around, because we're going to share 3 fast ways to get to that goal. So what's this secret sauce for determining your ideal investment amount? It all comes down to your desired lifestyle and, of course, the numbers. Sure, the average guy spends around $67,000 a year, but that might not be the right benchmark for you. You can adjust based on your specific needs, aspirations, and level of comfort. Now let's add a touch of intrigue. Picture this: a life where your investments generate a consistent income stream, allowing you to enjoy the fruits of your labor without touching your principal. It's like having a secret money tree that keeps growing and providing for you with passive dividends. The possibilities become enticing. Let's understand Dividend and how it works. Imagine you're a part owner of a company by owning some of its stock. When that company makes a profit, they have choices on what to do with it. They can use the profit to grow the company, or give it to their owners. In the case of publicly traded companies, the owners are the shareholders, like Mike. If a company decides to distribute some of its profit to shareholders, it's called dividends as a shareholder. Mike would receive a portion of that profit based on how many shares he owns. Dividends can be given as cash, either through a digital deposit or a check. Now let's talk about dividend yield. This is a way to measure how much you're earning from dividends. Compared to the price of the stock. It can vary from company to company and even change for the same company over time. Generally, more established companies offer higher dividend yields than smaller, newer ones. Now to calculate dividend yield. It's quite simple. You take the annual dividends per share and divide it by the price per share. For example, if Mike's stock is priced at $100 per share and he receives $10 in dividends each year, his dividend yield would be 10%. Understanding. Dividend yield helps Mike evaluate his investment. He can compare different stock prices and make smart decisions based on his goals and how much risk he's willing to take by investing in dividend-paying stocks. Now, let's take a dive into 3 simple strategies. Strategy number 1. Covered call ETFs, one of the quickest paths to living off dividends. Or just one, a good way for Mike to retire with REITs is to save and invest a certain amount of money every week and let the dividends add up until he reaches his goal. If he stays committed and patient, he could become financially independent in about 5 to 7 years when investing for dividends. It's important for Mike to have a plan. He needs to know how much money he needs and what he wants to achieve. This will help him choose the best REITs for his portfolio and make sure he sticks to his plan over time. Everyone's situation is different, so Mike might find that he can live happily with less than $35,000 per year, or he might need more if he has a family or certain lifestyle preferences. One great thing about REITs is that, unlike regular stocks, they often pay dividends every month. This makes them an even more attractive choice for people who want a steady income from the stock market by considering the strategy of investing in REITs. Mike can achieve his financial goals of earning $35,000 per year or $29,000 per month from dividends. It's a strategy that could turn his dream of living off dividends into a reality. So if Mike is ready to take a step toward financial independence, exploring the world of REITs is a smart move. It's a strategy that has the potential to make his dreams come true. Strategy number 3. Dividend. Aristocrats. Aristocrats are special stocks that belong to a group of companies in the SP 500 index. These hawks have a unique record of increasing their dividend payments to shareholders for at least 25 years in a row. They're considered great options for people who want to earn income from their investments. Some of the top dividend aristocrats are 3M Leggett and Platt and Walgreens Boots. Alliance, these corporations on average pay close to a 7% dividend yield, which is lower than covered call, ETFs, and REITs, but they are very consistent in paying out those dividends. Dividend aristocrats are known for consistently raising dividends year after year. To be part of this group, a company must have increased its dividend payout for at least 25 consecutive years. Whether it's a good idea to invest in these stocks depends on your own goals timeline and how much risk you're comfortable with the companies that make up the dividend.